Do it with Madison Beer. Oh, but you have to kick a Podler. Is it stackable? You can have all the money in the world, Riz. But second person that pops up when you press yellow square and more gets eaten by a shark, do-do-do. Be a voice actor in GTA 6, but you can never play the game. Is it worth it? Get a girlfriend or boyfriend, finally. But your current battery percentage is how old she or he will be. Hope it's not lower than 13. Ah, jail. Never have to pay for food, but you can only eat chicken wings. Delicious.